Hey guys, my subscription box for Lone Star came in. Let's see what I got. This is February 2024. Ooh, this is the new Lima curl, I believe. No, that's just an alpha curl. I thought that was the new Lima curl. They just came out with a new one, so I am wrong. That is the alpha curl, but feels really good. 172. Ooh, that's sweet looking. That is the horny toad. That's what I thought it was. And the Founders plastic. A little bit of a puddle top, but not too bad. That's going to throw really nice. I like that plastic as well. Oh, it looks like they kind of matched up. This looks like their towel. Yep, it is a towel. And they kind of matched up what was on the disc. That's cool. I like that. Because that's a horny toad on there. Oh my gosh. And then we got a little mini that is kind of Pokemon related. Even the character kind of looks Pokemon-ish. That's pretty cool. There is one thing I want to do. This kind of looks like glow plastic to me. So let's go ahead and see if it is. Oh yeah, it is. You can see it glowing right there. I have all my lights on in my garage, so you're not going to be able to see it well. But that's a little bit better. You can kind of see that does glow. That's really cool. Yeah, great job, Lone Star. I like the theme to it. And got that Pokemon effect. And I love that it's glow in the dark. Let's see if that's a Founders glow as well. And we already have it out. It is not, sadly. But it does shine in the dark, but it does not glow. So there you go. Don't know if you knew, but that's a glow mini. Then got to get some tiny hearts. Then I believe a sticker. Yep. Then I think it's a little goodie bag you can put on your cart or on your bag and keep whatever you want in there. Keys, chalk, whatever. I've seen that on their website before. It's a pretty awesome little box. I do believe these are still available at Lone Star, so go ahead and pick yourself up. Get a horny toad and a curl. Pretty much for the price of the whole box, you get that and you get some extra freebies. And one new thing, you can type in Mark Confer and click apply and save 10% on almost all of the discs available at LoneStar.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this content, make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll get more content out as soon as it's available. Thank you guys so much for watching.